Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to turn off your personal hotspot on your iPhone and prevent others from connecting to it. First things first, let's open the Settings app on your iPhone. You should see the Personal Hotspot option, usually near the top. Tap on that. Okay, to completely turn off your personal hotspot so no one can connect, simply toggle the switch at the top to the off position. Just like that. Now nobody will be able to join your hotspot. Now, if you're finding that family members are automatically connecting to your hotspot, we can adjust that too. Tap on Family Sharing. Here, you have a couple of options. You can either turn family sharing off entirely, or you can customize the permissions for each individual contact. For example, if I select a contact, I can choose to set their permission to Ask for Approval instead of Automatic. This way, they'll need your permission each time they want to connect. And that's it. A simple way to control your iPhone's personal hotspot. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tech for more helpful tech tips.